If a government project is not implemented properly, concerned citizens can easily approach the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission for redressal. Chairperson of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, Justice T. Weifel, on Tuesday said that people are not coming to approach the Commission and registering a suo motu case, stating that the scope of the Commission gets limited when a matter is between private individuals. He said that the Commission can act if there is a public element involved in the matter. According to Justice T. Weifel, though the Commission cannot disturb the people's investigation, the Commission can take the police to task if the investigation is not done properly, he added.
Come into picture only if the police are lethargic in investigating the case, and if there is undue delay in investigating the case or not arresting the culprit, then what we can do is, which we have been doing, to call for a report